Most people overthink self-improvement or assume it takes some huge overhaul to get results. But what if I told you real transformation can start with three ridiculously simple steps, no fancy routines required? First, live by the 5-minute rule. Anytime you feel stuck, whether it's for your workout, study session, or that task you keep avoiding, just promise yourself you'll do it for 5 minutes. Not an hour, not even 10, just 5. The secret. Once you start moving, momentum kicks in, and you'll often end up doing far more than you planned. Next, adopt the one-page rule. Read a single page of a good book every day. Sounds almost too easy, right? But those pages add up. Days become chapters, weeks become books, and before you know it, your mind is sharper, your decisions are smarter, and you're thinking on a whole different level. And finally, the reflection rule. Every night before bed, ask yourself 2 questions. What's one thing I did well today? What's one thing I can improve tomorrow? This tiny moment of honesty builds true growth, day after day. Forget overcomplicated plans and endless checklists. These micro actions, just 5 minutes of effort, 1 page of wisdom, plus a nightly reflection, will set you apart if you stick with them for 30 days. Are you ready to start? Drop "I'm starting this today" in the comments and let's level up together.